Pull and rip. That satisfying sound, it's more than fun. It's helping your child build real hand strength. Pulling Velcro helps build grip strength and sustained hand effort, important for dressing, carrying, and tool use. Place Velcro pieces on the board and press them firmly. Then have your child pull them off one by one using a strong, steady grip. Start easy. Use softer Velcro and stick it lightly. If needed, let your child pull with both hands or offer a little support. To build challenge, turn it into a matching game. Stick cards onto a shape or number board and ask them to pull only the ones that match your prompt. This simple rip and grip game is a fantastic way to build strength, coordination and confidence. Plus, it feels great every time.